Hey, this is Akanksha and today I'll be sharing some interesting yet very important facts with you all. Okay, did you all know that 28% of Indian general population is affected by fatty liver disease? You must be thinking, why is she talking about liver all of a sudden? I'll tell you. Liver is a very unique and vital organ of human body that helps to process alcohol and fructose. Both of them taken in higher quantities would lead to fat deposition in liver cells and eventually lead to fatty liver disease. There are two types of fatty liver disease, alcoholic fatty liver disease and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. As the name suggests, alcoholic fatty liver disease is caused by excessive consumption of alcohol and when the liver has to process large amount of alcohol for prolonged period of time. On the other hand, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease can be caused because of several other reasons. It could be because of excessive intake of fructose, that is usually because of processed food, sugary drinks, sweets, etc. It may be because of obesity or genetics as well. If not managed properly, it can progress and lead to more severe liver conditions such as non-alcoholic steatohepatitis and cirrhosis. NASH is where the fat buildup causes inflammation and liver cell damage and ultimately leads to scarring that's known as fibrosis. Lastly, cirrhosis. Cirrhosis is when NASH becomes severe and it leads to lesser liver functioning or even complete failure of the liver. So it is crucial to consult a healthcare professional if you suspect you have fatty liver disease, and also we're going to talk about some of the nutritional guidelines for fatty liver disease in the next video.